Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I have this wig. So you can see the way it looks. So I'll be taking you to a process on how I achieved it. Okay, so I have my net here with my dummy. So I have this small net that I have to fit on the other net, and so I'll be using the T-pins to hold them or to hold it. Yeah, so I have to put the T-pins only to the place that I want. Okay, so I'll be putting them like that. So this way, and then I have to use my needle to do that. I just need a small part whereby I'll be doing the small crochets. So after that I have to cut, and so I have to cut this one here so that it can remain clean, so you can see. So I have to do the crochet here, and I have to use this weave, the same weave I have to weave on, so I have to use the same weave. I have to cut first, and then I'll remove the hard part, this part here. So I have to cut it that way, and then I have to stretch the weave a little bit. I'll be stretching here that way, and then after that I'll be using my crochet to crochet it here. So this is the crochet, and so I'll be picking just a small strand as I crochet. So you have to lay your crochet first that way under the net, and then you put it through, and then you have to lay the braid and close the crochet and pull it. Then you have to pull it using the same place like 2 times that way. This is just simple, you can do it even without being told. So lay your crochet first down the net, and then pull the hair that way, and then you have to pull again as you close, pull again that way, and then that is enough. Yeah. So let's continue doing the crochets. This is how you just make your own closure. Okay, this side closure, it won't be seen that openly, but it's good for the parting. Yeah, if you're doing this side parting, then it will look good. Yeah, nobody can notice that it is a wig. People will just think maybe you did a weaving just from the client's head, but not from the cape. Yeah, okay, I hope you're getting something. And so this is how the crochets are looking like. So we start doing the weaving at the back here, and this is how it goes. So I'll be going like that to the other side. So I have to lay this one here, that way to the other side, and then I have to knit it that way, or to weave it that way. Okay, again another one that way to the other side, the same place. Okay, you have to leave just a little gap, because if you put them together then it will look so puffy. Okay, so let's do this one again that way. You can see here in front I did a little bit of curving it, not just straight, you just have to curve it a little bit. So here I'll be joining the strands to be 2. So as you can see guys, we're just going like that until we finish. This type of weave to do it, it's very simple. Yeah, anybody can do it. Yeah, so don't panic. Yeah, don't say, oh, it's hard or it's what and what. Just do it. It's very, very simple. Even for the beginners, you can just do it. It's very simple. Yeah. What you have to consider is how you levelize the weave. So after that, we have to remove this one, and then I have to part it that way. So I can have my cut here, or my parting here, and then this is how it looks. So I'll be using the water spray, or you can use the normal spray, or you can use color activator to make this one from the front here to get intact with the other ones, or with the other wave. Yeah, because this one was cut, so making it to get together you have to spray water, or you can use a sheen spray. Okay, but also color activator, it will work good. Okay guys, so let's see how it will look on my head. If you have the inner lines, it will also be good. Yeah, so I have to hold the hair first, and then after holding the hair I have this inner stretching net, or holding stretching nets. Yeah, I'll be using that one to cover the hair properly, and then after that I can put, or I can fit in the wig. So that's how it goes. helps to hold the hair not to be coming out when the wig is on the head. Yeah, that way. And it holds so firm. So, and this is the wig I'm going to put on, guys. This is the one. This is how it looks. Yeah. So it has this stretching strand here, and then I have the clips. Yeah, it's better when you feed on the clips so that it will last for a longer period on your head. I mean, it won't fall when you're moving or making some movements. Yeah. So you just have to comb with the hands that way. So that's how it is. It's a nice wig for the Afro lovers. You can wear it daily. Yeah. So guys, this is how it looks. That is the results. And so, ready to rock. Yep. So guys, thank you so much for watching Joyce Arts. Remember to put on a bell button so that you won't miss any video that I'll be uploading soon. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Bye bye.